Welcome back to Tools and Cars with Chris. Today we're going to be replacing the reverse light bulbs on my 2013 Nissan Altima. The only tools you're going to need is an 8mm socket and the two light bulbs to replace it with. These are T10 bulbs. There's a big list of bulbs that are compatible with that size, like the 192, 129s, the T8, T12, a whole bunch of bulbs. But let's get started. Alright, all you have to do for this replacement is pop this clip out, pull the carpet back, and then you got two 8mm bolts, one here and one there. And then you can pull on the lens from this corner. It'll slide straight back and come out. Alright, so once you remove those two bolts, hopefully you don't drop one of yours and have to fish it out from behind the carpet way down there like I do. You can move on to removing the headlight housing, or the taillight housing. And to remove it, like I said, all you do is grab here and put another hand here and wiggle it back and forth and pull straight back, and it should come out. Okay, you may have to get something like a screwdriver or something to pop that headlight or that tail light out with. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. A nice little tip so you don't scratch your paint. All I got here is a flathead screwdriver, and I put some duct tape over the tip here. That way I don't scratch my car. And what I'm going to do here is put this back here behind this and grab the outside of the housing. Just do a little bit of wiggling and pulling, and it should pop right off. Just be patient. Don't force too hard. And once you get it apart, this here is your bulb down here at the bottom. You twist it counterclockwise a quarter turn. Pull your old bulb out. Pop your new bulb in. And then with these LED bulbs, they only work one way. So you're going to want to test it and make sure you got it in the correct way. I'll be right back. Alright, so I had to take all the rest of my bulbs out just to make sure I had mine in the correct way, but they all come off the same manner. A quarter turn and come right out. So you got your blinker, find it, quarter turn clockwise, my reverse light that I just changed, and then brake light. They all go back in nice and easy. And then put the light back in. You're going to do it the same way you came out. Got these two bolts and then some clips back here. Going to make sure everything lines up. You push it in nice and straight. You give it a little tap, make sure it's nice and in there. And then you put your two 8mm bolts back on. You don't need to tighten these too hard. They'll be alright. When you put your carpet back in, get it tucked in here nice and good. And then you got your clip here. Find your hole. Pop it in there. You're good to go. That's it. Now, let's see what these lights look like. Do a comparison of the two, but I've only done this side so far on the driver's side. The passenger side still has the normal light. I'll wait till nighttime and I'll show you what they really look like. Alright, this is what the lights look like in the daytime. You can't really see it, but you can see this one has an amber color to it. And this one has a nice white color. But you can't really tell they're on because it's daytime. We'll come back tonight. So I said I was going to try and get a comparison of the new LED tail light or reverse light that I installed at night. But I'm recording on my phone, so you can't really tell, but you can see how white that color is right here on the LED, and over here with the halogen it's still yellow right there. That's the reverse light. I wish you could tell. I'm trying to mess with the camera settings. Yeah, you can't really tell, but that's gonna look much better trying to reverse and back out of my driveway in the middle of the night.